Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to decorate some wine or champagne glasses for the holidays. I always love for my glasses to stand out from everyone else's, so when the family comes over for the holidays, I always know my glass because it's over the top. Well, not always over the top, but it's a little bit much for a wine glass. But anyway, before we get into the video, first I want to thank all of you for supporting my channel. We finally hit 10,000 subscribers. I am so excited. I nearly cried. But yeah, I'm so excited. This is my crazy daughter in the background laughing, but I put a lot of work into this channel, and the support that I get from you guys makes it all worth it, and it makes me keep wanting to give you guys more and more and more. Sorry I didn't record last week. I had such a busy week last week. My grandson was super sick, so I just did not have any free time to record, but we will have a lot of holiday DIYs and sewing tutorials coming up within the next few weeks. So again, thank you guys for the support. I love you guys so much. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. And let's get into it. So here's our first glass. Very festive for the holidays. I didn't put too much going up because I still want to be able to clean this, so I could just pull these back a little bit to clean around the outside. But I think this is pretty awesome. You can also use glitter. I've shown you guys how to do this with glitter before. Normally I would use Mod Podge to do these glasses, but because I'm doing them for tutorial purposes, I used hot glue, which still works. So this is a great holiday. You can put your eggnog in here, like I said, wine or anything else you want to drink in your festive cup. So let's do one more. Okay guys, so we are going to move on to the second glass. Again, this is how our first glass turned out. Really, really cute and festive for the holidays. So this time I'm going to use white yarn. I have some stars here, and I may use a couple of the leaves, but this time I'm going to start here instead of down here. It makes it so much easier to do the yarn. Sorry, brain freeze for a minute. Okay guys, these are our two festive holiday mugs. Really simple, really easy. Like I said, I normally use like Mod Podge or some kind of glass glue or like E6000. I use that a lot when I decorate glasses. I ran out, obviously, which is why I was using the hot glue. These can go great for yourself or your loved ones. You can give them as gifts. I love making these glasses only because I like being unique. I like having something that I don't see in stores, and I like to know that I have something that I've made for myself, and nobody else in my family is going to have them because I made them. So even if I find something like this similar in stores, mine is always going to be a little bit different because I put my personal touch on it. So I hope you like these glasses, guys. Again, these can make great gifts, or you can just use them for yourself for the holidays or anytime. I made mine obviously for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and this one is good for Christmas and New Year's. It goes with the theme that I want for New Year's in my home. But that is it for this video today, guys. I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. It lets me know what kind of videos you like and what kind of videos you don't like. Also, again, I'd like to thank you so much. It's not just me who is celebrating this milestone. We are celebrating together, because without you guys I would have never made 10,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure to turn your bell notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. You can check out my vlog channel. Also, my daughter's channel is linked below, as well as the links to Greg's podcast channel and our movie review channel. And again, I appreciate you. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.